Welcome back to Metro Screenworks. Today, we are going to tell you how to build the perfect catio for your kitty. No matter how big or what type of catio you are building, you will go through the same 5 steps. Stay right here to learn more. First, you need to create a sound foundation for your catio. You can use packed, level dirt, pour a concrete foundation, a paver stone foundation, or planks. Next, you will construct your catio's frame. We suggest using quality lumber and hardware from your local home improvement store. How you frame your catio depends on the type and size. After you have built the main structure, you can build shelves and other stationary play elements for your catio. Make sure each of these elements have sufficient supports to handle the weight of playing kitties. We suggest building shelves at multiple levels in your catio. Fourth, you will want to install any other elements such as plants, statues, and other playthings. During this stage of the process, you can paint or stain your catio to personalize it and protect it from outdoor wear and tear. The last step is to screen in your catio. Screening your catio will not only keep wandering paws in their catio, but will protect your fur babies from pests such as mosquitoes and other animals, such as birds and raccoons, out of your cat's catio. The best screen for your catio is Pet Screen or Super Screen. Both are stronger than traditional screen and made to withstand wear and tear of pets and the outdoors. Shop Metro Screenworks for high-quality Pet Screen or Super Screen and get started building your cat's dream catio oasis.